Hello, my name is Larry Martin and I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'm going to show you a quick issue that you can sometimes encounter if you're on a system prior to 8.2.1, and that is when you're looking at a grid, you sometimes see a lock icon. Now what that means is you can see very large text fields cannot be sorted. While this field occurs when you have a field that is maximum size or rich text, those field types cannot be sorted. So you try to sort and nothing happens, whereas if you come to a field without the lock icon, you can sort. Now, in versions prior to 8.2.1, this is an additional issue where if you go and you try to export that grid, you will not be able to get the data from that locked field. I apologize, this was on the other screen. So if we were going to just throw this out on the desktop and give it a name, test export, and save it, and we just leave the default fields, and we're not going to truncate long fields, and we hit OK, it's going to export, and then whenever I open the file, you can see that we have an export, and in this case we do have the description field because I'm on version 9.0.1. But again, in versions prior to 8.2.1, and you may sometimes run into a glitch, that field would not export. And so to work around that, you could generate a report to get the data, although a report may not be in a format that you really wanted to use. But if you needed to see that field in an export, you'd need to upgrade your system from a system prior to 8.2.1 to 8.2.1 or later. So anyhow, it's just a quick video today. We had a client who had a problem with exporting these fields and wanted to know what the lock icon meant, because even though very large text fields cannot be sorted, that doesn't give you a lot of information. And then they were also, well, why isn't my data showing up in my export? And again, the icon is indicative of a field that has a large size, so rich text fields, maximum size, and they cannot be sorted. And then the export issue was a pre-version 8.2.1 item that was resolved in 8.2.1 and later versions. Anyhow, I hope you find this information useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We produce these videos every week for you. If you have a question about one of the videos or Cherwell in general, feel free to leave a comment in the channel, tweet us or email us, and someone will respond and or will create a video for you. Thank you.